This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for Alibaba, but before we do, let's take a look at the market here, with the general markets trading pretty much at all-time highs as far as US markets are concerned. And we can see here on the daily for the SPX, this is at all-time, and we can expect the market to continue showing strength. As we noted, as long as S&P 500 is holding above 69.1, this is the daily, and as long as we're also seeing the same thing with the weekly RSI holding above 69.1, the market should continue to be stable to bullish. And more importantly, we can anticipate the market to continue being strong as long as we continue seeing this potential move. If the market can move above 69.1 on the monthly, that would be very powerful for the general market. The last time we had that type of a move was when we clipped above 69.1 here at the beginning of 2017, and we had a fantastic year. Alright, so the key is whether the market can hold above 69.1 or not. Failure to hold above 69.1 and the market might start struggling. Now, just going to talk about Alibaba. So here we can see a stock that is breaking out above the prior all-time monthly closing high, and for Alibaba that price level is at 204.29. and of course we can see the prices are trading above that. Now there's a little bit of a problem with this breakout, and put it quite simply, it does not meet the minimum requirements for a quality breakout. So we are missing the look of the ultimate Muathe breakout, and as long as these requirements are not being met, in my opinion, this breakout is suspect. And the way we're going to know that there's a possibility of failure in this stock is very simple. It needs to stay above 204.29. in other words, the price breakout needs to hold. Otherwise, if we see a failed monthly breakout, something similar to this period here, a failed monthly breakout might lead to a severe pullback. So bulls want to see this hold above 204.29. Now I have to say that because we don't have the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout, in my opinion, chances are very high that this is not going to be a very strong, powerful breakout. The minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout are going to be in the description of this video. Peace and blessings. ESGE.